Y'all, listen, I picked up a good product. I want to show y'all a really good product, and I think I should look at. What we got right here is the Lvyuan. I think I'm saying it right. The Lvyuan solar panel. It folds, is 120 watts, and I got this bad boy straight from Temu. Now y'all know Temu is damn near like my best friend. I've been on Temu looking for solar panels. I can say that I'm really impressed with this solar panel. I don't really see a lot of reviews on it. This is gonna be like the real first official view on this. So I was like, man, why not let me do a review on this thing, because I feel like it's worth it. And it is worth the buck. It's very cheap. They have 3 types. They have a 120 watt, they have a 200 watt, and a 400 watt, and a 300 watt. You can't beat that. But in this case, we're gonna be using a 120 watt solar panel. So let's take this baby outside. Let's see what it do. I was gonna get the other solar panels, the hard ones. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the other regular solar panels. But man, this one right here, this one just cut the cake. Let's just go outside and hook this baby up. We outside. Let's unbox this baby real quick. Y'all know if it's 80 something degrees outside, y'all know what type of charge we gonna be getting today. So here we go, packaged. Come with your nice little case. And this thing is kind of heavy, and it's built really nice. You can't beat this, man, for the price. It was less than $100 for this little thing right here. This solar panel right here. We're gonna open this thing up. You got your menu, tell you all the good stuff, and it tells you how you should have it, so you could get the most efficient way in the sun. And me, I prefer to lay it facing down anyway, straight flat, instead of lifting it up or bending it. So you got that. You got your cords. It comes with your XT60, and if you're using any other cords, like any generators that you got, you can just plug them right on up and it's gonna work. So they give you multiple sockets, which is pretty cool. And then you got the solar panel itself to hook up, the XTC. Connect these baby right here. Connect these right here, boom bam. So let's see if I get this thing open. And this thing is pretty big. I was really surprised, because I didn't think this was gonna be that big. I didn't think it was gonna be that big. Look at this. Look at that. That thing is huge. I ain't even gonna hold you. That thing is huge. Let's see. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna move it right here. Let's see how many watts this thing produce. So we got it flat out. That looks good. We gotta make sure this cord right here is plugged up. Get the wires. It also came with hooks, so if you wanted to like hang it on something or whatever, your RV, it comes with a bag of them. Let's see. Think about this stuff. You just got to get the piece to connect to it. Get this other one. This one connected. There we go. Connect this one too. Alrighty. Got the cord. Might have to bring this a little closer. Alright, we got it all flat. Let's hook this baby up to the solar panel. Now we're gonna be hooking up the, let me see what percent. It's on 51. Currently on 51. And this one is on 63. So we're gonna charge the bottom one first. That's one we're gonna charge. That's one we're gonna charge first. We're gonna charge the bottom one and see how long it's gonna take and see how many watts this thing is producing. So we get this in the back, get that XT60 cord. All right, let's see. Okay, so at the moment, it's producing 65 watts. 2 hours. That's not bad. A 65 watt charge for the watts it's getting. 65. That's not bad. 2 hours on 51%. That's not bad. But I feel like we can move that bottom solar panel a little bit. just back so we could try to get more wattage. Let's see if that worked. That should look good. Let's see how many watts. It was on 65. Now it's on 69. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just put it on the roof and see how it does. So right now it's producing 72 watts. Now it's down to an hour. That's not bad. And this is a 120 watt solar panel. Trying to tell you, y'all better jump on this wave, man. Because this is really nice and it's good to have. It's running 72 watts. All right, so what I did was, for the time being, I just put on my little stand. It's producing 73 watts. On my little stand right here, see? But it depends on how you got it set up. And that's how you determine whether your thing will be good or not. Oh wow, my chicky poo is back. All right, so maybe we could put the solar panel on top of the RV now. Give me 1 second, y'all. All right, now we got the solar panel up there. Let's see how many watts it's giving now. It's say 49 for right now. Let me see. Right now it's 69 degrees. And around at least 2 or 3 is going to be 80 something. On a 57% charge with 69 watts, it'll charge up in an hour. It is going to get higher though as it get hotter. It was on 55 or something like that. Now it's on 57. So I want to show you how the app. We got both of the EcoFlows running. Now the one that's currently charging is the Snotty Nose Eco 2. We will click that right there and see how many watts it's producing. Right now it's 71 watts that's going inside this generator. So right now it's on 58%, which is really awesome. What's sweet about this thing is, man, you could use it, you could use your TV and run the solar at the same time with the EcoFlow 2. That's what I do love about the EcoFlow River 2. We're gonna see how long this thing run and how long it charge. Right now it's 10:26. At a 58% charge, it's 71 watts running. Let's see how we do when we plug up the TV. This here is a 49-inch. This TV does run 60 to 50 something watts. But when you lower your brightness and everything, it goes down low. You see how many watts this is pushing? 71 to at least 50. So 50 watts will be going inside the generator from the solar. Turn that on. As y'all can see, the TV is on. 71 watts coming in, and it's using 19 watts. As you can see on my screen right here, it's going from 72 watts into the AC. Now, when you're doing your solar mode, you go right here, tap that little button right there. Solar charger. That's what you would go to. $72 watts. Let's turn on the TV. Let's see, we got TV right here. Let's see what we're gonna watch. Let's watch me. Snotty Nose Kids. Still doing good. 3 hours. 3 hours of charge. But it's gonna be way less than that. Y'all see how the wattage just keep getting higher? Because the sun is adjusting to where it's supposed to be. If you could literally watch TV all freaking day. You can't beat this, man. And it's gonna see how long it's gonna take. 2 hours. Like I said, it's gonna be way less than 2 hours. So don't trip about that. But if I was you, when you're doing the solar stuff, do not try to plug your stuff up when it's completely dead. Don't do that. That's gonna take too much power and it's gonna take too long. If you're gonna solar charge it, make sure you use it down to at least 50%, at least half. Don't go nothing below that. You is jacked. So anywho, go to my videos real fast. Go to another solar video or something. Y'all know how I be doing. You know what? We're gonna plug this TV up too, because I'm just curious. Now I went back to 22 watts. I'm gonna bring that back down. See a picture mode? You click on picture mode. And then you go to energy saving. I went to maximum. The energy is saving a lot right now, and that's what brings this down to 19. We are gonna plug up this little TV right here just to see how many watts it'll run. So out of curiosity, see the bottom. There we go. And now both of them plugged up. The wattage went up a little high, 57. See, now that's high. Now what we need to do, we need to bring some of that wattage down. That's what we was talking about on this TV. See, this one is at 19. This one is at full. So I'm about to lower this down for y'all. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead, go to picture. Do you see that brightness? The brightness is too high. It's at 39. That's why it's running so many watts. So once y'all see the wattage again, before we go down, y'all see 57, right? We're about to cut that bad boy on down. Turn that brightness all the way down. It's not like we outside of anything anyway, so turn that sucker all the way down. Auto brightness low. Here we go. Here we go. Backlight, turn that joint all the way down. Look at this. I'm about to show you something. Come on, 25. Break it down lower. All right. Run that down to 0. Bring the brightness down too. See that? So all that is down. I needed it to be down so I could get this wattage right here. 41. So it's pretty good. 6 hours of charge, you can run for the whole day, and it is gonna charge this whole thing up. It's pretty cool. TV, another TV. I definitely recommend this solar panel. That solar panel is too official. Too official. I just wanted to show y'all that so y'all can know what you could run, how long it could run. You know, I'm gonna turn this TV off. Turn that off. Let's go bring that wattage back down. Take that out. Now, back to 20. Highly recommend it. But the next video, some more solar stuff. I'm hooking this battery up. I got a battery that I'm actually building. Y'all might seen it in the other video. I ain't even finished that yet. And to be honest, I don't even know where it is. I'm still looking for it, which is crazy, which is beyond me. But we got one solar panel here in the other videos. And then we got this one right here. So we're going to be setting this one up with the battery. We're going to put it in the room and put the solar panels on top of the roof. That's going to be that video. So stay tuned for that. The solar panel, man, this joint is real sweet. Run all day, play all day. Check this item out on Temu, because it's definitely worth the buck. Y'all don't want to miss these sales that they be having. If y'all miss out on it, man, I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all missing out big time. It's your boy D Bonds with another solar video. If y'all like it, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna be dropping more videos for y'all later on during the day. Get you one of these ASAP. It's definitely worth the bang. It's your boy D Bonds, and I'm out.